Welcome guys, today I am going to show you how you can create a new project in CodeBlocks. So click on File, New, Project, select Console Application, then click Go, click Next, select your language. I am going to do C program, so I am selecting C, click Next, project title, give your project a title and you can select where you want to save your project. So I am saving it on my desktop. So click next, click finish. And when you will click finish, you will not see anything on this window, but on the left side on the project tab you will see your project name that is created by you and a folder called source. And when you double click on sources, inside this folder there is a file called main.c, and once you double click this file you will be able to see hello world program. Hence you have successfully created your project on CodeBlock. Thank you.